This is our walk after dinner. It's 79 Fahrenheit, 26 Celsius. Barkley had a haircut today too. Yeah, he did. Look at him. Barkley looks pretty now. Oh, he looks handsome. She's pretty. He's handsome. I like the way he sneaks up and then stops. Sneaks up and stops. Rosie! Just trying to sag a little bit. Oh, I gotta trim some too. The little pink one. Look at that pink one. And the white one too. Yeah. Yeah. No more red rose for a while. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. There's the sunchoke. Oh, there's a bee on it too. Getting pollen. 2 bees. Ooh. Didn't mean to startle you. Just taking your photo. Let's go. You have entered the monitoring area. Oh, I gotta go work tonight. Today and tomorrow, I do a double shift. Oh. In about 2 more days, I gotta move this washer over to my apartment. I bought a apartment washer. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. They're like a battlefield over there with all the molehill. I don't know if you can see that with this camera and that. Man, it feels hot out here. It's rained the last 2 days. So it should be pretty humid. I didn't get the humidity, but I can feel that humidity already. Oh, sun going away now. Cool it down a little bit. Oh. Oh, come on, Lucy. Barkley's pulling me. Barkley's pulling me. Hold on, Barkley. Thinks he's trying to find a spot. Right in sprayer. Let me get that mosquito off of you. Yeah. Come on, Lucy. I forgot to spray you. Forgot all the rain we got. Make it damp out here, so there'll be mosquitoes. Find a spot. I'll walk you in when I get off work. Hurry up. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Get off of there, mosquitoes. I sprayed them yesterday. That was yesterday. For some reason they love her. Come on, let's go in the house. Come on. They always like looking, smelling the flowers for some reason. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Both of you. Come on, come on. I gotta use the bathroom now. I'm gonna remember to spray them for a walk. Come on, doggies. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Let's go. Come on, let's go in the house. Let's get a treat. Let's get a treat. Keep moving so a mosquito won't get you. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching, folks. Next time later.